He's going to get my bike. Could see. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Suzuki Hayabusa. So this is my 2014 Gen 2 Suzuki Hayabusa. You could see this is the Brembo ABS edition and this is the CBU unit. So it's a completely built unit. So this is going to be about the maintenance and performance upgrades. So first let's come to the maintenance part. That is regular maintenance. You take any bike. This bike, so my bike is currently due for the scheduled service. So I'll be getting the service done, as well as some maintenance work is going to be added in this service. So if you could see, I'm not sure if you can see properly. So I'll have to get the front brake pads changed. It's almost due for the replacement. And the other thing, the wear and tear thing here, if you could notice, there are signs of slight leakage. It's not a major leakage, but these are the first signs of leakage. So I'll have to get the oil seals replaced, and the oil shock absorber oil is also going to be changed. So the service will include the shocks. So this service is going to be a bit expensive because it's got the regular service plus the brake pads plus the fork seals and fork oils, which will be attended to. So that's about the maintenance part, and I will come to the performance upgrade part once I reach the workshop. Alright guys, we are here at the workshop. Alright, the bike is here. So I was talking about the performance upgrade, what will be done. So there are the parts which will be installed. Could see the excitement there sitting. So it's going to get the Dynojet over Commando 5 and auto tune, the steel braided brake lines, and the fork seals are also going to get replaced as part of maintenance. And I'm going for the Suzuki genuine brake pads for the front. So that is the Brembo brake pads itself. So for the power performance, the braking is also a very major factor, so which needs to be considered seriously. So that will be done. So maybe about the tuning part and all, I will be making a separate video of it and showing it to you. Alright, so let's see. So none other than Hafiz, who is called the Dr. Buza. He's going to get my bike tuned, and this is going to be the first of a kind in India, called Sleeper Buza. So the Buza will look stock in every angle, but it is going to be loaded, and I will tell you how it is a Sleeper Buza once everything is done and installed. So you will be surprised by the outcome. So even I am excited to know how it's going to turn up. It's like first of a project here, so let's see how it's going to turn up. Right, hello, welcome back. So finally, so we are here at the workshop. Bike is ready. So look at that standing there. It's completely a different beast now from what I used to have, and we will see how it does. So it's getting ready. So it's completely done. The service, brake lines, brake pads, and the exhaust modification, and the power tuning with 2 maps. So we'll be testing the maps and then finalize on the tuning. So it's going to take some time, probably over the weekend. I'll be going on for a ride to check the maps and the tuning. So it looks completely stock, but the bike is fully loaded. So I'm eager to listen to the sound. Just wondering how would it sound, and I will come about the details of the modifications in another video. I will talk about the complete modifications or the work performance upgrades done on this bike in another video. So excited to take the delivery, and let's see. These are the steel braided brake lines, performance brake lines, which have been installed. So the power commander and the auto tune modules are under the seat. While they are preparing the bike, let's just have a look at this bike. This is the Suzuki Bandit S1250. It's a tourer, very good bike for touring. And there in the lineup is the Suzuki GS X750, and there you could see is the Suzuki Inazuma 250. It's the parallel twin. Okay, so this is why we call this as a sleeper Hayabusa, because what you can see, everything is stock. It looks completely stock. So exhaust, everything is stock. It looks stock, and what we have here is the DynoJet Power Commander 5 and the auto tune module. So I've got two maps loaded, so I still have to check how the map runs. So once it's checked, we'll finalize on the map A. So let's start. When the bike starts, you would know why it is called a sleeper Hayabusa. So we'll have Karthik start the bike. So you will know why it is called a sleeper Hayabusa once the bike is started. What you call it a sleeper Hayabusa. Oh, fucking crazy, fucking loud, super loud. So this is why we call this as a sleeper Hayabusa, because in any angle if you see, it looks like a stock bike, and it is like a stock factory bike, but it is fully loaded, guys. And this is one of a kind project which we got it executed in India, here in Bangalore, and really feel, and the noise is very loud. Let me just turn it off and see the silence. Look how silent it is now. So this you call the sleeper Hayabusa. What do you say, Karthik? How is it? Nice. Yeah, we need to test the maps. That is the other thing which we have to do. So we'll have to test the maps and then finalize on the maps as well. So that will be happening over the weekend, and once that is done, maybe I will give you an update on how it is going with the maps. So stay tuned, and I will be making a ownership experience video as well. So this bike has been with me for over 2 years now, so all the maintenance and everything, genuine maintenance if I would say. So we'll all cover it up in this channel, so stay tuned. Videos might be coming in late because we got other works to do and not a full-time YouTuber, but I'll try my best to impart my knowledge with my experience. Right, stay tuned. Bye.